Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bonk Update today. Tomorrow I'm going to open up the private for September, and I do recommend you, really I do recommend you to join, but this time, the priority is really high that I recommend you to join because up until September I'm going to be able to have a plan where I can give you a 80-90% trade. That's a part of my plan. Hopefully if the plan does play out, you're gonna get that 80-90%. And you guys do know that I do have plans and when I say I have plans, I really mean I have plans. So it's not a clickbait, it's not a story to make you feel good, but it's actually a real solid plan that I'm looking forward to. Now at the moment, I've talked about Bonk before, and I showed you one example with Andy. So Andy of course had this symmetrical triangle. Bonk has the same symmetrical triangle. So if I go on the daily time frame, you can see the symmetrical triangle looks something like that. And right now we may just see, Bonk maybe trying to lose this symmetrical triangle for good and go down. We still haven't taken the stop loss. Says actually we actually did. Okay, so yesterday I told you that the first negative sign is if Bonk actually touches 1717. So it actually did that, and this is not a good sign. On top of that, you also have three black crows, one red candle, two red candles, three red candles. Three red candles in a row actually signifies a continuation of the downtrend. So that means if the downtrend is happening, it will continue to go even lower. Now I think personally the safe zone for Bonk is to destroy the three black crows itself, which is actually up at 2042. If you destroy this here, I think we are going to be in a safe mode, in my opinion, because something is fishy. September is around the corner as well, and September, I don't trust September. So yeah, something is definitely fishy, right? We might see even some huge shake off in the market one more time to make sure that everybody just gets really scared and they run away, and then finally we get to see an amazing bull run within the next coming months. So for me, I think that Bonk is doing something similar to what Andy did, and I showed you Andy yesterday, and basically what Andy was doing is something like this. So Andy actually trapped a lot of people where it actually showed as if, yes, I'm actually holding the support, and then eventually it really broke down and it lost the trend line for the very first time. So this is something very, very similar to what is happening with Bonk as well. Okay, so you are showing that, yes, I'm holding support, and then eventually disappoint many people. Now even worse is that you have a bear flag on the 4-hour time frame, and I think that the bear flag may drop Bonk at the moment, and we may see a technical target all the way down to maybe nearly 1570. And I think if you do go to 1570, that's a loss of the symmetrical triangle, and a new technical target may start to go down to where the triangle is, and that's going to be down nearly 934. So that's all for the video. Let's just really hope you really push back up, the bull step in and go to 2042, otherwise discounts. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one of office.